Yo, it's David down at Crosstown Chrysler, Edmonton Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Plus in jazz blue, powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine. Underneath the hood, this has Stow and Go seating. Come to the front here, you'll have halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you with high beams and turn signals. Of course, the high beams are the running lights. There's that honeycomb inside the grille with chrome surrounding it, adding to the aggressive looks of the Grand Caravan. And I think it looks very good. Come to the side here, this Grand Caravan is running on 17-inch Yokohama Avid mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. They're on alloy rims, and there's mud flaps behind all four tires. Color matching door handles on the outside on all four doors, and both driver and passenger side door mirrors are breakaway, and they're heated mirrors as well. So heat these up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. There's roof racks on top of this Grand Caravan. In case you want to haul things on top of it, you can easily do so. Open up the driver's side door here. Here is the door panel. There's an LED light right there, lighting up the ground before you so you can see where you're walking. Storage down below with a cup holder, storage in the middle. Nice leather padding for your arm to rest on. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic. This switch here will open up the rear vents. Great style. Move inside here. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel. Feels great in your hands. This is a tilt steering wheel too. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. There's an umbrella holder right there. Cloth seating throughout. Adjustable headrests on the front seats. And this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Grand Caravan. Turn on the headlamps. Right here, there's the dimmer knob, a directional air vent, which you can close and open. And there's fold down armrests for the front seats here with leather padding on them. You can easily fold them up if you don't want them down. And there's 4 cup holders in the middle here, and there's tons of storage space underneath these cup holders. And this does have an auto dimming rear view mirror. Let's go check out the rear seating area. On both sides of this Grand Caravan are power sliding doors. All you gotta do is pull this handle once like this, and the sliding door will open up right before your eyes. Fantastic. Now I did move the front seats forward all the way because that makes it so much easier to fold the middle row seats down into the floor. So this is what you gotta do. Grab this latch right here, fold this up. This goes up like so. Then just put the armrest up like this.
Go down the side here. The seat flips up, and then you gotta give a little push, and it's down to the floor. And then just pull the cover over like this.
Look how easy that was. I did it with one hand. Absolutely amazing. There's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat with hooks so you can hang up bags. There's handles on both sides that your passengers can use to easily get inside this van. This Grand Caravan does have an LCD entertainment screen up here that comes right down, and there's connections down here so you can plug things in via HDMI or AV, and your passengers can watch movies, play video games, all on that LCD entertainment screen. There's also a power outlet there, 2 USB ports, and a 115 volt AC power outlet. Having an entertainment screen in the back of the van will make your passengers happy on those long trips. And the rear climate controls are just up there. Directional air vents back here, the middle row seating area and the rear seating area. And there's hooks so you can hang up nice clothing. So if you're going to an event, you can hang them up so your clothes don't get all wrinkled. Adjustable seatbelt height for the middle row seating area here as well. There's a cup holder right here, and there's 2 more cup holders on the left side. To fold the seat back up, it's very easy. Just pull the cover
up like this, pull this handle right here, give a little push down, locks back into place, push backrest back up, headrest back up.
And it's good to go. When the seats aren't folded down into the floor, You can use these areas to store many different things. Groceries, camping supplies, anything that you don't want in sight, you can put down in these areas. To get into the rear seating area, just pull the handle like this, the seat flips up like that, and then people can go through here and get into the rear seating area. Love it. There's a button to the side here that you can press to close the sliding door. Excellent. Come to the back of the Grand Caravan here. There's LED tail lamps on the back, rear window wiper, nice badging, Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Beautiful. But remember, it's an SXT Plus. Put your hand down below here. There's a handle, and you can lift open the lift gate. And the rear seats do fold down for you. And I'm going to demonstrate by showing the right side here. Step 1, headrest goes down. Step 2, backrest folds forward. Step 3, it unlatches, and step 4, just pull this straight back like this, give it a little push, and it's down in the floor. So put that headrest down, and then you can do this side.
Step 1, headrest goes down. Step 2, backrest folds forward. Step 3, unlatches, and step 4, pull it straight back like this, give it a little push, and it's down into the floor.
When all the seats are folded down the Grand Caravan, it gives you more space than the box of a truck to haul things, which is pretty amazing. I don't doubt it either. Look how much space there is with the seats down. There's a storage area on the left side there, and to put these back up, you just do the opposite of what you did to put them down.
There you go.
And there's hooks on the backs of the seats so you can hang up bags so they're not rolling around all over the place when you're driving. And there's a button right here which you can press.
And the lift gate goes down automatically.
Come to the other side here. This Grand Caravan looks very good. This Grand Caravan still has its window sticker, which is fantastic. There you go, this side opens up very easily. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat with hooks, you can hang up bags. Put the armrests up. Pull this handle. People can get into the rear seating area. Push it back down. And put it back up. Of course, you have the storage compartment here. See that? Storage in the middle, nice place for an arm, power locks, power window switch, great style. Passenger seat is manual adjustment, and for safety, there's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. Lots of safety built into this Grand Caravan. There's an upper storage area right here. Beautiful styling on the dashboard, directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. And there's a lower glove box here, and there's some goodies in there for you. And you can lock the lower glove box if you have important documents in there. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. Here is the key fob. There's an unlock button and a lock button and a panic button. A nice Dodge badge on the back. You can open up the sliding doors just by pressing one of these buttons twice. That's the left side, that's the right side. Press that button twice here and the power lift gate will open right up. Press this button twice, the doors will lock, and then the Grand Caravan will start right up. Boom, just like that. Then all you gotta do is hit the unlock button here, hop inside the Grand Caravan, grab your key fob here, go over to the side, push it into the ignition, turn it to on, and that'll get you past the remote start system. Check out the gauges. I love the red around the gauges. Very nice look. The tachometer, the speedometer, the fuel gauge, and the temperature gauge, it all looks good. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the driver information center screen in the middle here. And the first thing you'll see is that it tells you your distance till empty on your tank of fuel. Press the step button here. This does have a digital speedometer. Liters per 100 kilometers. That is the fuel economy page. Hold the reset button here and you can easily reset that. Outside thermometer, This Grand Caravan only has 1,821 kilometers on it. That's it. So come on down to Crosstown and see if this could be yours. Trip A calculator, hold the reset button. You can easily reset that. Trip B calculator, hold the reset button. You can reset that one as well. And back to our distance till empty on the tank of fuel. And if you open up any door on the Grand Caravan, I'll let you know that a door is opened. Nice Dodge badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right, and behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Automatic transmission with your gear selection buttons right here. This Grand Caravan does have a backup camera that appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you. It still has plastic on it, and you could be the first person to take that plastic off. Having a backup camera is the greatest. And you put this back in park, just like that. Directional air vents in the middle here, which you can close and open very easily. 3-zone climate control. You can adjust where you want the fan speed to be. Adjust temperature, driver temperature, passenger temperature, rear temperature. Just where you want the air to go by a push of a button. It does have air conditioning, rear window defroster. You put on rear right here, and that allows people in the back seat area to control their climate, or you can be the one to control the rear climate. You choose. It's very straightforward, easy to use climate controls. Hazards here. This will turn on the 115 volt power outlet in the back seat area. Traction control, economy mode when activated makes the Grand Caravan run more fuel efficiently. Little storage compartment right here. There's 2 big cup holders that pull out in the middle here. And down here, there's 2 12 volt DC power outlets. The only difference is one, the ignition has to be on for it to work, and the other one is always going to have power to it. Large storage compartment right there too. There's tons of visibility out the front window. Fold down sun visors with convenience mirrors, and they are breakaway. Reading lamps up here, which is also the interior lighting. There's a sunglasses holder right here, and there's a mirror so you keep an eye on everybody in the backseat area to make sure that they are behaving. And there's buttons up here so you can open up the power lift gate, you can open up the sliding doors, and you can turn off the sliding doors if you want. If you don't want the doors to be sliding automatically when you open them, you can turn that off so you can manually open them. And here's the touchscreen Uconnect system. Tells you the time when it's off. Press the power button. It comes on very easily, except that you'll obey the rules of the road. Voice recognition button right here. Cancel. Using voice recognition will assist you in making hands-free calls. Bluetooth button.
Uconnect phone ready.
Cancel. Using that button right here, that allows you to accept calls that come through Bluetooth. This has AM, FM radio, and SiriusXM. This has GPS navigation. Put an address. It'll show you how to get to where you want to go. You can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map. You have a digital speedometer, a compass there. Adjust your audio here very easily. Menu button, you can adjust system settings. This has a built-in hard disk drive. You can store pictures and music on the system here, so you have them with you wherever you go. There's a USB port right here, so you can charge devices. Auxiliary port, another way to listen to music. Media button here, so you can choose between listening to a CD through the CD player, which is right here. The screen tilts down, exposing the CD player. Press this button again, the screen goes back to where it was. And you can choose between auxiliary, go back to radio, you can cycle between those, and you can direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. Voice recognition button and Bluetooth buttons on here as well. So you can use the buttons on the steering wheel, or you can use the buttons on the media center. Lots to do with this system. It's fun to use, very responsive, yeah, it's very fast, and you can save many different presets just by holding a box here with your finger. There you go. Press the power button and it shuts off again. This Grand Caravan is basically a brand new vehicle. It is so clean, so quiet, so good looking. you definitely got to come and see it for yourself. It's the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Plus in Jazz Blue, powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine. Underneath the hood, it has Stow and Go seating, cloth seats, an entertainment area for the back seat, and so much more. Come to Crosstown today and see if this could be your next everyday driver. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.